Hey guys, there is a trending t-shirt design that has been actually making sales for a while now that I am strongly recommending against selling. This is one of these things when it comes to print on demand, it's so easy to toe the line. I call it flying too close to the sun, honestly, where you make a design that is strikingly similar to things that we're familiar with, brands that we're familiar with. The shirt I'm about to show you is not going to surprise anybody. All right, we've actually seen it before in top 5 niches of the week. But as we close in on peak demand, because it is related to Father's Day, I wanted to just issue a reminder that we are building a long-term business and it's not worth sacrificing everything you've worked towards for a quick cash grab. So let's get to it. The shirt I do not want anybody that watches this video to sell is called Super Daddyo. It is a play on Super Mario because, of course, who doesn't know and love Mario, right? The legend from video games, from movies now. Wasn't there just a Mario movie that came out? And, of course, you know, it's a Father's Day twist on a popular brand that I'm going to venture, I guess, most fathers that are receiving these gifts, like, probably grew up playing Mario. I know I did. So Super Daddyo is like the twist that some genius decided to put on the Mario plus Father's Day, you know, cross niche. And I know it's going to be attractive and appealing because it's really not that hard to put together some of these designs. I mean, some of these designs just go out of their way to really infringe. They even got like the characters on there. Depending on where you look, you're going to see different varieties, different twists on this design. But obviously, if you are towing the line this close on Nintendo's intellectual property without the permission to do so, you're asking for it, right? Because you can bet these big brands, they have the money to pay whoever, right, to file takedowns on their behalf. And these are significant strikes. Like if you're on Amazon merch, this could just get your account closed like that. If you're on Etsy, I don't know that their system works that way. I don't think it does. I think Etsy's more like just a cumulative strike system. But of course, the only way to know for sure is to be an engineer working at Etsy. But check this out. So if you run Alura, and you can either run the Chrome extension or you can go to the product seeker, and it basically gives you the estimated statistics. You can see that these shirts are making quite a few sales here. It looks like, you know, if we sort by monthly sales at the high end, the best seller here making over 300 sales a month, second best seller 192. Again, you can kind of run it here on the page of search results as well. And you can see the estimates for the other products. Now, I also love Jungle Scout on Amazon. So just to show you the types of sales that are taking place here. And of course, opportunity score. You never see a print on demand opportunity score that's like high demand, low competition, or even medium demand, low competition. That's extremely hard to find. But it doesn't surprise me if we were going to find something like that, that it's in, you know, a niche that is going to require you to infringe and put your whole seller account at risk. You know, Amazon Seller Central, they'll shut you down there too if you're getting a bunch of strikes against your account. And these are the types of strikes that actually look really bad because they obviously get a lot of stuff wrong. Anybody that's sold print on demand through Seller Central knows what I'm talking about. But they have like a little tab you can just check and it'll tell you what products it doesn't like. You can see here though, lots of different designs, different variations, prices ranging from like $15 all the way up to $29. Damn. And if we sort by monthly revenue, it looks like some of these are doing as much as $17,700 a month, $12,000 a month. Another one doing $12,200 a month. One doing $5,400 a month. Another doing $5,400 a month. So a lot of sales taking place. What I don't notice is that look at the brand column here on Jungle Scout. None of the brands say Nintendo. Okay, right here. This one says Nintendo. So perhaps maybe this one right here. Okay. So Nintendo's actually up here on Amazon, just not protecting their intellectual property, right? Like Nintendo's actually here. They have their own Nintendo store. So it's probably just a matter of time until someone gets smart and says, hey, file takedowns and soak up these sales that you're giving away to other people. Like we just did the math. I'm sure it probably totaled 50K at least of revenue that they could be making that they are essentially losing to people that are infringing on their intellectual property. Now, guys, it is what it is, right? If you've been doing print on demand for like 6 months and you're at 0 sales and you're about to throw in the towel and you want to go for it, is anybody going to blame you for that? Because there's clearly sales taking place here. I wouldn't blame you for it, but I'm also saying, hey, If you're watching this video, if you subscribe to my channel, hopefully you're doing better than 0 sales in 6 months. I know you can do better. That's why, I put these videos out. I have my courses, etc., all the above. Get the help you need, and let's build a long-term business. Don't just go for the short-term shiny object syndrome. That's really what I wanted to share in this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's not unique just to this design. We know that there's always something, right? There's always some shirt out there that's a bestseller that, is a Taylor Swift shirt, or, right? That was the last time I did one of these videos. Just resist the urge is my recommendation, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.